baby! Ay! Good morning! Ina! Forward crawl? Ano? Ay! Forward crawl na ikaw! Sige! Wow! Good job! Yay! Hey guys! Good morning and welcome to this vlog. This is Mommy Ruth and today I'm gonna take you with me throughout the day. This is a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom who is also vlogging and vlogging. Let's do this! Let's do this! So there's the river. He's crawling na today. He's learning how to crawl. Oh my god! You know how to crawl na, anak? There's the baby. While I eat breakfast. River! So, ibababad ko na tong ampalaya for my lunch later. And liliguin na natin si River. Ininit na natin yung tubig niya. And yun, dito siya maliligo today. So, dapat sakto lang, hindi masyadong malamig. Ligo time! Yay! Ligo time po! Uy! Wow! Play na with the water! Yes, River! Time to eat! This is our lunch! Okay, so guys, we are now preparing for the event. So I'm just gonna put on very light makeup. Okay na ba? So, this is how I wanna look today for the event. Let's go! Let's do this! So this is my final look for today's event. I'm just wearing a denim off-shoulder blouse with a shorts and a watch and some simple accessories. And for the shoes, I'm wearing these shoes. The shoes from SM. Hi guys! Dumating na kami dito! Ismail naman ikaw! Dumating na kami sa event. We're here at Mom and Tina's Bakery. Ayan na, ang daming mommies and babies. So start na kami. Ang ganda. Dito kami sa second floor. Oh, ang daming mommies dito. Say hi, baby! Hi! What's that? Say hi! Hello! Gagap talaga. Take two, take two. Say hello, baby! Oh, where are you? Mommy, Omni, Mommy, Omni. See, Bryce from Bryce and Omni and their kids. Ate Zia. Hi, Ate Zia. Smile so much. It's there. Hi. Hello, Ate Zilla. Hi. Hello. Where did you go? Acres. Acres? Say hi to Baby River. River, say hi to Ate Zilla. Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Smile naman this baby. Hey guys! We're finished na sa event today. Gabihan na kami. Pero, actually nakauwi kami around 6 o'clock. We had so much fun. This baby has met so many other babies. You like the other babies? You like the other babies? So this baby is learning how to crawl forward na talaga. Inaabot na yung camera. Hello, River! Malikot na nga yung baby namin. So, yun. He had so much fun as well. Yun ang event natin for today. Now, I have to edit this video and post it on YouTube. And basically, yun ang aming trabaho as a stay-at-home vlogger or mommy vlogger. So, So, yun lang. Pero kasi, tomorrow we have a trip. So, I'm right now packing. Right now, I'm packing my bags. We have a trip tomorrow. It's our Mother's Day trip. I'm so excited. So, ayun. Perhaps I'm gonna be editing this video by the time we come back na from the trip. River, hi! Hi, baby! Who's that baby? Baby is teething. So, officially, May 12, he started crawling forward or creeping forward. And we're so happy for this milestone for baby River. So, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!